Communication is absolutely important for your successful and fulfilling experience in your home. You need to be ready to meet your new home country. Good communication will open many doors and help you to settle down. How to communicate and achieve your goals in this modern world. The answer lies in developing communication skills, which are very important to your successful integration and personal development. The ability to communicate effectively with people from different cultures and backgrounds is the key to build relationships and successful integration. Find out how to improve your communication skills. Learn language. Communication is the key to language learning. Daily interactions and conversations help you to navigate social situations. Communication allows you to access information about job opportunities, educational programs, and resources available to them. Learn to listen. Attention to the speaker, his body language, and nonverbal signals shows respect and helps you to understand the full message. Intercultural communication skills. By being aware of cultural differences in communication styles, greetings, humor, and nonverbal language, you can avoid misinterpretations and build connections. You may find it useful to adapt your communication style to better fit the cultural context. Sensitivity to cultural values and beliefs helps to build trust and understanding with people from different backgrounds. Problem solving. We face problems all the time, but the key to solving them successfully is the ability to analyze the situation, find a solution, and act with confidence. Communication skills are very important for navigating disagreements and resolving conflicts peacefully and respectfully. Networking. Open and honest communication is essential for building trust with locals and fostering a sense of belonging in the community. Communication empowers you to participate in community activities, defend your rights, and contribute to the society. Being an active participant in conversation by asking questions, sharing experiences, and expressing opinions demonstrates engagement and willingness to integrate. Emotional well-being and mental health. Communication allows you to express your feelings, anxieties, and challenges related to migration, fostering emotional well-being. Reducing isolation. Effective communication combats feelings of isolation and loneliness, which are common challenges for migrants. By developing these communication skills, you can effectively express yourselves, understand others, build relationships, and navigate the challenges and opportunities of your new life.